Let's make a pom.
Ooh, my name's Leanne, and I just made fun of my video editor. This should be a fun tutorial. First, you're gonna need something that writes on fabric. Then grab one of those empty Amazon boxes you surely have laying around. Grab a 6-inch bowl and trace it. In case you do not know how to figure out if your bowl is 6 inches across, you simply measure it across like this. I know everyone has this, so I'm gonna waste my time showing you that you can use this, but just the tip, and not the whole thing. Now to what I actually recommend, small, with a sharp tip. Then you're gonna need a needle and thread. Yes, they will be sharp and pointy and long and stringy. Now run to your closest craft store and get a yard of your favorite faux fur yarn. Let's get started. Take your 6-inch piece of cardboard and trace around it with that Sharpie. Sharpie, yes, we are looking for sponsorships. Ooh, look at that. It's a circle. Now you're going to take out those small sharp scissors and you're going to cut around. Now when you are cutting, you want to make sure that you are not cutting all the way through the fur. This will make it blunt and yucky. This is where those sharp points come in, but I'm still going to show you on my ridiculous kitchen scissors. With whatever scissors you use, make sure that you are just cutting the fabric at the bottom, not the actual fur. Look at me, I even remembered to do a camera angle change. Ooh, actually this is really satisfying. Now you have your circle done with no blunt edges on the fur. Gently pull out any excess fur. For this next step, you're going to need to grab your needle and thread. We are going to be doing a running stitch along the outside of the circle. Keep it about 1/4 inch from the end, and please do start tugging as you go so that you do not have to pull all at the end. Trust me, it will break. Now, as you can see, I've been bunching it up as I've been going, and I do this inside out because I'm not as smart as Missy, who does it the other way around. Now I'm going to show you this little pouch that I made, and I'm going to, oh, yep, that's also satisfying, pulling it outwards. Or you can just be smart like Missy and do it the other way around. Now you're going to need to make that hole a little bit tighter, so you're going to tug it. Then grab some stuffing or some yarn ends. Take that stuffing and put it in the center. Don't stuff it too full. You don't want it to be rock hard. Then go ahead and just finger it in. Yep, finger it. Gently pull your thread tight and finger the stuffing in. It won't actually go all the way together, so you just fold it into a little cervix-like shape and sew it together. Now you finish with your pom, you're just going to sew it onto whatever you want. We do it on our hats. Now you're an expert like me, Leanne. I'm so cool.